What happens when you microwave 51 sparklers for 6... Dagnabbit. I hate my life.
Don't we all?
Well, take 2. Are we actually doing it?
Just go for it. Just.
For 6 minutes.
Ooh. Gosh.
Oh gosh.
I'm not so sure I like my hand being on top of this here wave.
Could be way worse.
That's about. Oh yikes! Oh yikes!
That is some smoking going on.
You might not want to put your sleeping bag on top of here, actually.
Oh gosh. Hey man, here's the thing. We won't be able to see otherwise.
Alright.
Well, see, it's about died out now.
There's a decent amount of smoke.
It's a lot of smoke.
Yeah, no.
I mean, it's not like it's...
It's fireworks smoke, so it's fine.
Yeah. Fireworks smoke makes you more American.
Yeah.
That's not bad.
Yeah.
That was good.
It was okay.
It was okay.
Yeah, I guess we're winding down here.
Oh god. Can't wait for firecrackers. It's gonna be incredible.
Well, let's see how it looks. Yep. Oh, gosh. Oh, that smell though.
Oh, God.
Well, now you know what happens when you microwave sparklers for 6 minutes.